we done question number. We were talking about sphere and hemisphere, right? Surface area and volume, right? As I told you, if there is a hollow hemisphere, hollow hemisphere you get it? This is hollow hemisphere, this is the center, its radius is small r and its radius is capital R, right? So total surface area of hemispherical bowl is equal to what? 2 pi capital R square plus 2 pi small r square, right? Plus pi capital R square minus pi small r square. This is total surface area of this hemispherical bowl, right? And how you get the volume? Then we have the volume is equal to hemispherical bowl na 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus 2 by 3 pi small r cube. So you can write 2 by 3 pi. Yesterday I wrote the same, na?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
So this is, or we can write 2 by 3 pi capital R minus small r bracket capital R square plus small r square plus capital R small r. How you can get volume? Volume of material of bowl. Material of bowl. Right? Okay. What is your question?
Hemisphere bowl. A hemisphere bowl has radius.
Straight up? This whole? What we have to find, by the way? Okay, you read the question.
Has radius 3.5 centimeter. What would be the volume of water it would contain?
Question number 12. Radius of bowl. Inner radius of bowl. Inner radius of bowl. Bowl is how much?
3.5 centimeter.
3.5 centimeter. Right. What we have to do now?
What would be the volume of water it would contain?
Volume of water. Volume of water is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Right. So how you will do this? 2 by 3. 3.14 or 2 point. What we have to take? 22 by 7.
22 by 7.
22 by 7 into 3.5 into 12.25. 3.5 square is 12.25, right? And this 7 is multiplied by, you get 0.5, right? So again, this is 1. 0.5 into 2 becomes 10. You get 1. 1 into 22. So you will get, oh, no. This is 1, 22. So we get 22 into 12.25 upon 3. Right? So how much you get?
So 44.
No. 0.5 into 2 becomes 10. Decimal 1. 1 into 22 becomes 22. And 12.25. And this is 12.25 into 22. This is 269.50 divided by 3. Where you are going? But go outside. Keep the sound low, right? आवाज धीमी रखने का, ठीक है? धीमी, तेज कर दी तुमने. हम, you go inside. Chino. This is, so what is your answer? Chino to 26.50. You go inside with this.
89.5.
एक मिनट में. 8 times 3 becomes 24. You get 2 and 9. 9 times 3 becomes 27. 2.5. Again we get 8. No. We get 2 here. Oh, 0.5. No. What is your answer?
89.5/6.
That is exactly like this. Actually, we take this 5 here and we will not solve it. Right? So it becomes, what happens? It becomes, we get 89 whole 25, right? There was decimal 0.5, na? So that decimal get removed. You put one decimal. There was a 0.50, right? So you have taken 5, put 0.0 here. This remove and comes like this. So it comes 30. 5 times 5, 6 times 5 becomes centimeter cube. So we have 89 whole 5 by 6 centimeter cube is the volume of oil. You get this?
Yes.
Otherwise, you can do just one thing. There is this decimal you remove, this 0 we can remove because after decimal there is no importance of 0. There is decimal, we remove this decimal, we take 0 here. When we take 0 here, then it becomes 2695 upon 30. So it is 8 times 30 becomes 240. 240 divided 295. So 9 times 270. So 295 minus 270 becomes 25. So you get 25 upon 30 centimeter cube. So which can be further written. Otherwise, this is by if you divide it by 6. If you divide it by if you divide by say 6 by 5 times 6 times 5 becomes 30. 5 times 5 becomes 25. Right? 25. 3 times 15. Right? 4, 9. You get this? Now when you divide it, 539 divided by 6, 848. Nine times 54. 556 centimeter. This is what we have to do, right? You go by this. You forget about this. You don't use this. Right, this is. You won't take this. This is. You get done, right? What is your next question?
The volume of sphere is
Same question. Next one. What is next question is? Should I go? What you are saying?
volume of sphere is
Question number
11.
11. What is that?
Volume of sphere is
Volume of sphere is equal to
179 whole 2 upon 3.
179 whole
2 upon 3.
2/3 centimeter cube. Now
Find radius and surface area.
so volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. This is how much? 179 into 3. 9 times 3 becomes 27. You get 2. 3 times 7 times 3 becomes 21. 2, 23. We get 2, 1, 5. Right? 537 plus 2 becomes 539 by 3. So it will be 539 by 3. Okay. Now what you can do? You can write 539 by 3 is equal to what? 4/3 into 22/7 into r cube, right? This 3 and 3 is gone, right? And 539 divided by 11, 4 times 44, 9 and 9, right? 9 times 49. You are looking like I am doing something. This is 2. This is 49. Fine. You get it? Now you can write r cube is equal to this 49 and 7 is multiplied, right? And this 2 and 4 is multiplied. So we get 49 into 7 upon 4 into 2, 343 upon 8. Taking cube root both sides, how much you get? 7/2. So centimeter. So it becomes 3.5 centimeter. You get this? This is the radius of the sphere, right? This is the radius of a sphere. Now what is next? What do you have to find?
Surface area.
Surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Correct? It is how much? 3.5? Huh? Do you understand? 0.5 into 4 becomes 20. So 2.0. 2 into 22 becomes 44. 44 into 3.5. How much you get? Hmm? Is it? Huh? 154 centimeter square is surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere. Get this? Okay. This was question number 11. Should I run? Okay. Now come to question number 10. Hmm? 10 no? Why? Okay. Question number 8. What is?
Sphere and a cube
Sphere and a cube
have the same surface.
Okay. You are saying there is a sphere. Right? This is sphere. Right? And this is a cube. Cube. This is the cube. This is the cube. Right? So, it is given you surface area of sphere is equal to surface area of total surface area or surface area?
Surface.
Means total surface area of cube.
Show that
Total surface area of cube. Right? Surface area of a sphere is what? 4 pi r square is equal to total surface area of cube.
ratio of their volume is
यार तुम बात है. You said they both are having same surface area.
no same surface.
Same surface means same surface area. Then what do you want?
Show that the ratio of the volume of sphere to that of cube is √6:5.
So obviously for that we have to find the ratio of their radiuses. So this is radius, and this is 6a square. Getting? So how much you get? How much you get?
कम दीवारों पे ज्यादा लिखता है और ड्राइंग बुक को छोड़ बाकी सब रख देता है। इस छोटे कलाकार से परेशान मैंने ऑर्डर की ये दो गैजेट। पहला
There is, you have to find ratio of their volumes. You have to show the ratio of their volumes. Is it? R square is equal to 6a square upon 4 pi 3 by 2, right? So we can write here R square is equal to 3 by 2 a square pi, right? Now if you take root over both sides, so how much you get? You will get R upon a is equal to root 3 upon root 2 pi. You get this? Okay. Now volume of sphere upon volume of it's 4 by 3 pi 4 by 3 pi what is the value of R? Where we get? Oh, I did wrong, huh? Better than you write it. R is equal to A. So we can write root 3 A upon 2 pi root whole cube upon volume is A cube, right? You get this?
और खिला दे, मम्मी का फोन आया है।
क्या खिला दो?
बस धीरे से
कैसा हुआ?
धीरे तो मम्मी का फोन आया, उन्होंने
ना अपना पेशेंस
क्या करे, बच्चा आता पेशेंस
four by 3 pi pi 3 root 3 into A cube, upon how much it is? Two root 2 into pi root pi, right, upon a cube, right? So this, what happens? This a cube and a cube is gone, right? This pi and pi is gone, right? This 3 and 3 is gone, and this 2 times 2 becomes 4, right? So what you can write? Root 3 upon root 6 pi. What is your answer?
root 6 ratio root pi.
Root 6. Okay, this pi comes down, right? Okay, done. Sorry, I made a mistake. This is 2 times 2, na? So this root 2 will give you root 2 here. And this root 2 is multiplied by this root 3. So you get how much? Root 2 into root 3 becomes root 6 upon
Pi.
root pi. So this is what we get is equal to volume sphere upon volume cube. You get this? You get this? I hope you understand.
Yes.
Some calculations are when it's very messy. I did all the things there, yeah. So you have to do by your own. When you do, separately, then I hope. Actually, I write this in place of this value of r I put here, right? Yes. Done?
Yes.
This, how many we have done now? 3. How many are left? Should we call off? Okay, thank you.